Hello traders, in this video we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair EURAUD in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now by the end of this week's market close on 18 February 2022 Friday, we can see that EURAUD on a daily time frame, right after facing this huge price ejection after retesting this major key zone, it went up as part of a medium pullback to retest this key zone over here, and after that it came down with this huge bearish move all the way to retest this key zone over here, and is currently making a retest on this uptrend line as well. Now if EURAUD continues to respect this uptrend line and also this key zone as its support zone and start forming higher lows and makes a breakout of this key zone, then it might continue come all the way to retest this key zone over here. And if however if EURAUD continues to make a breakout of this uptrend line and also this key zone, then it might continue coming all the way to retest this key level over here, which we mark on the basis of the retest points that it had previously right around here. So if you go to a shorter time frame like 4-hour time frame, so in this 4-hour time frame, on our previous week's market analysis, we drew a beautiful head and shoulder pattern which looked something like this. So this being its left shoulder head and the right shoulder, and also we drew this as its neckline, which is right around here. And in our previous week's analysis, we are expecting that EURAUD since made a head and shoulder pattern, so it might continue to break below this neckline and also this major key zone with further bearish move, which would lead EURAUD to come all the way to retest this key zone over here, which is what exactly happened in this week. After making a breakout of this head and shoulder pattern and also this major key zone, it came down with further bearish move to all the way on its way to retest this key zone over here. Now my anticipation for the upcoming week is that if EURAUD continues to come down to retest this key zone and start forming a bit of a consolidation phase around here in between this and this key zone, and with further bearish move, if it makes a break and close below this key zone, then it might continue to come all the way to retest this key level which we marked earlier over here. As you can see all these retest points on this key level, so it's pretty much obvious that if EURAUD makes a break and close below this key zone, then you can look for trades on the short side in hopes of EURAUD reaching towards this key level over here. But on the other hand, if EURAUD instead of making a breakout of this key zone with further bearish move, if it start forming this consolidation phase and makes a break and close above this consolidation phase that it might be forming here with further bullish move, then you can look for trades on the long side in hopes of EURAUD reaching either towards this key zone, or if with further bullish move it makes a breakout of this key zone as well, then it might continue coming all the way to retest this key zone over here, which you saw on the daily time frame as well, right around here and here. And I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description as well, so you can see where these zones and all these trend lines and stuffs are. And that's my analysis on EURAUD for the upcoming week in multiple time frames. And if this video helped you guys, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also give this video a thumbs up. And to know the regular updates on my trades, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video.